Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll begin by identifying your Mac Minis ports and the SSD type, because the connection method depends on NVMe versus SATA. Once you know that, get an appropriate enclosure or adapter and a USB-C cable rated for data. Make sure you've backed up important files before proceeding. Power down the Mac Mini and unplug it. This prevents shorts. Now open the enclosure, insert the SSD according to the adapter's alignment, and tighten screws. Do this slowly to avoid striping threads. Once the SSD is physically secured in its enclosure, connect it to your Mac Mini using the fastest available port. Thunderbolt 3 for NVMe gives the best real-world throughput. Power on the Mac and open Disk Utility. You'll see the new device in the sidebar. Select the physical drive, choose the appropriate scheme, GUID partition map, then select apps for modern Mac OS or Mac OS Extended if required. Click Erase to format. This prepares the disk for file transfers. Make sure it mounts in. After formatting, copy a small test file to confirm read/write behavior. Once satisfied, transfer your data or set the SSD as a time machine backup. If you intend to boot from it, install Mac OS or clone your system using a cloning tool, then select the startup disk in System Preferences. If the drive doesn't appear, make sure the cable and port are functional, power cycle the enclosure, and run first aid in Disk Utility. If problems persist, check enclosure firmware or try a different adapter.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.